A very pleasant morning, students. Welcome to Social Science online class. Listen the class carefully. Don't skip the class. Class 8, subject Social Science, session 20, topic modernization and a self-reliance. Before enter into the topic, let's see a question session. Note down the question and the answers. What is modernization? I repeat the question. What is modernization? Modernization refers to a model of evolutionary transition from a pre-modern and traditional to a model society. Second question, what is self-reliance? I repeat the question, what is self-reliance? Self-reliance is the ability to depend on yourself to get things done and to meet your own needs. Third question, which is an important component of economic growth? I repeat the question, which is an important component of economic growth? Answer is industrialization. Okay students, next move on the topic modernization. Concept of modern and modernity and a modernization are highly notorious mostly because of their ambiguity and vagueness. Each one lack any precise meaning. Modernization has assumed a lot of significance, particularly after the end of Second World War in 1950s and 1960s. Industrial Revolution in England and to some extent French Revolution in French brought a modernization to a limelight. Volumes literature written about this. There are concepts of have contained many contradictory observation and conclusions. As a result, no signal theory of the modernization has been justifiable presented to explain the process of modernization for social change. The process of modernization dates back to the age of renaissance and their formation in all walks of life like literature, science, religious and etc. India has now large variety of industries producing the goods of varied nature of which shows a high degree of modernization. Some modern industries have really grown and they are competing effectively with the outside world. This has reduced our dependence greatly on foreign experts and technologists. On the contrary, India is exporting trained personnel to relatively less developed countries. The term information technologies includes a computer and communication technology along with software, along with three-sector model of primary, secondary and tertiary industries. A fourth sector, information-related industries, has emerged. This knowledge economic debits the automation of labor-intensive manufacturing and service activities, as well as growth in new service industries such as healthcare, distance education, software production, and a multimedia entertainment. Okay, students, next topic is self-reliance. Self-reliance is the ability to depend on yourself to get things done and to meet your own needs. An example of self-reliance is growing your own food. The capacity to rely on one's own capabilities. Independence, not to be a dependent. Self-reliance, another positive aspect of industrial growth is the attainment of the goal of self-reliance. We have achieved a self-reliance in machinery, plant and other equipment. Today, the bulk of equipment required for industrial and infrastructural development is produced within a country. The Indian road network has become one of the largest in the world. Government efforts lead to the expansion of the network of national highways, state highways and major district roadways, which in the turns has directly contributed to industrial growth. As India needs power to drive its growth of engine, it has triggered a noteworthy improvement of availability of energy. After almost 7 decades of independence, India has emerged as the third largest producer of electricity in Asia. Okay, students, to conclude this conclusion, industrialization is an important component of economic growth. India industrial is expansion over the planned period presents a mixed picture compared to the pre-independence level. Industrial growth during the 5-year plan periods is a phenomenal. Okay, students, I hope you all understand the modernization and self-reliance. Let's see a recap the lesson. The history of Indian industry dates back to the history of humankind. The craft in India has rich history. India, handcraft, a handmade country, famous collapsed under the colonial rule. The process of industrialization started in India from the mid 19th century. In India, modern industrial sector in an organized from the started with the establishment of cotton textile industries. Confederation of Indian Industries is on non-government and non-profit industries led on industrial managed organization. Before winding up my session, let's move on to homework session. Note down the following questions. First questions. Write a short note on modernization. I repeat the question. Write a short note on modernization. Second question. Which is the largest network in the world? I repeat the question. Which is the largest network in the world? Third question. List the 5-year plan witnessed a high growth rate of industrial production. I repeat the question. List the 5-year plan witnessed a high growth rate of industrial production. Okay, students. Thank you.